Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to focus on how to convert a fraction into a decimal. So my first example is going to be 1/4. Now I can use a calculator and do 1 divided by 4, but because we're going to use a non-calculator method, I'm going to show you what method I use. So I use a short division method. And I'm going to look at how many 4s go into 1. Well, 4 goes into 1, 0. Now I'm going to put a 0, so now we can use whatever we've got left over to continue. So I'm going to carry on the 1 to make it into a 10. How many 4s go into a 10? 4, 8 goes into it twice, and 2 is left over. How many 4s go into 20? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So the answer is 0.25. That's how you convert a fraction into a decimal. Okay, this time I am going to use 1/5. I'm going to have a go at converting that. So don't forget your short division method. So how many 5s go into 1? Well, it's 0. Don't forget your decimal point. I'm going to add a 0 and carry on what we've got left, so which is 1. How many 5s go into 10? 5, 10, 2. So the answer is 0.2. Well done if you got that correct, by the way. Okay, we're going to have a look at a different one now. This time we're going to do, well, let's make it a little bit tricky. I'm going to do 2 8s. So you can easily do 2 divided by 8, but we're going to use the short division method. So don't forget your setup. I'm going to put decimal there and add some zeros. So how many 8s go into 2? Well, we know it's 0. 2 is left over. How many 8s go into 20? 8, 16 goes into it twice. There are 4 left over. How many 8s go into 40? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So the answer is 0.25. Another way could have been, we could have simplified this and straight away did it. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 8 divided by 2, half of 8, which is 4. So the answer is 1/4 or 1/4. And we know that also means 0.25. So you could have used both methods. So well done if you got that correct, by the way. Okay, we're going to do one more now. This is going to be our final one. Let's have a look at 4/16. Now, I think I want to simplify this. Let's get this into the simplest form. Will 4 go into 4/16? Yeah, it should do. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. What you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. 16 divided by 4, 4, 8, 12, 16 is 1/4. And we already know 1/4 is going to be 0.25.